Is it seem or look like? Let's find out. She seems happy. Hey everyone, welcome back to Speak English with David. Today we're talking about two expressions that help you sound more natural and polite in English. Seem to and look like. We use these when we feel or think something is true, but we're not 100% sure. We use seem to when something appears or feels a certain way, but we're not completely sure if it's true. It's perfect for giving a soft, polite opinion. It seems to be getting colder. She seems to prefer tea over coffee. She seems to be very confident. This plant seems to need more water. We use look like when we're talking about nouns, things we can see with our eyes. Examples: they look like they're having fun. This soup looks like tomato soup. You look like your brother. So remember, seem to is with verbs or adjectives, and look like is with nouns or visual things. We want to use seem to when you're not 100% sure, and look like when you see it with your eyes. Example: he seems to be nervous about the interview. He looks like he didn't sleep much. They sound natural, polite, and confident, just like real native speakers use every day. Seem to is your feeling or impression. Look like your visual observation. It seems to be raining, which means I think it's raining. Maybe I heard it. It looks like it's raining means I see it raining with my eyes. So seem to is like a guess or impression, and look like is what you actually see. Okay, so now we have arrived to the drill. Directions. Complete the sentence with seem. Only seem. So number one, I tired. What do you think sounds right here? I seem to be tired. I seem to be tired. And at this point, you can get a pen or pencil and your notebook and write down the answers. And then you can come and check to see if you are correct. And again, you have more exercises on my website at davidenglish.info. Number two, he forgets something. Here, you want to say, he seems to have forgotten something. Number three, you enjoying yourself. You seem to be enjoying yourself. Number four, we confused. Let's complete this. We seem to be confused. Number five, she interested in the book. What do you think the answer is? Write it down. She seems to be interested in the book. One last time. She seems to be interested in the book. Let's move forward to the next slide and do 6. Directions. Complete the sentence. 6. They planning something. What do you think the answer is? They seem to be planning something. They seem to be planning something. Number 7, he in a hurry. He seems to be in a hurry. He seems to be in a hurry. Number 8, the weather getting worse. So you're looking up at the sky and you say to yourself, it looks like the weather is getting worse, right? So the weather seems to be getting worse. The weather seems to be getting worse. Number 9, you improving. What do you think? You seem to be improving. You seem to be improving. Let's go to number 10. They ready to leave. Here we go. They seem to be ready to leave. They seem to be ready to leave. You seem to be getting tired right now, for sure. Directions. Complete the sentence again with seem. We're only working on seem. If you want to do more practice with what we did before with seem and look like, you can go to the exercises on my website. Number 11, she nervous about the test. She seems to be nervous about the test. She seems to be nervous about the test. Number 12, he know the answer. So again, seem is like when you guess this, okay? You're guessing this. So he seems to know the answer. He seems to know the answer. Let's go to number 13. They tired after the trip. So you think this, you guess this, and you look and you say, they seem to be tired after the trip. They seem to be tired after the trip. Let's go to 14. You excited about the news. What do you think? You seem to be excited about the news. You seem to be excited about the news. 15. What do you think? The meeting taking longer than expected. The meeting seems to be taking longer than expected. The meeting seems to be taking longer than expected. And let's move forward to the next slide. We're going to be doing another 5. The more you do, the better you're going to get. So keep going. Directions. Complete the sentence. Number 16. We lost our way. We seem to have lost our way. We seem to have lost our way. 17. She waiting for someone. What do you think? I think it's this. She seems to be waiting for someone. She seems to be waiting for someone. Number 18. He enjoyed the movie. What do you think the answer is? He seems to be enjoying the movie. Again, he seems to be enjoying the movie. And number 19, they preparing for the presentation. What do you think the answer is? Think about it. They seem to be preparing for the presentation. They seem to be preparing for the presentation. And number 20, you upset about something. So you guess this about the person and you go, you seem to be upset about something. You seem to be upset about something. Now you know how to use seem to and look like naturally. It's a small change that makes a difference in your fluency. And next time you want to give your opinion or describe what you see, use these two expressions like a native. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more practice exercises on my website at davidenglish.info. Here are the answers. You can read them out loud, and that's how you'll get better. That's my suggestion. And here are the answers for the second set from 11 to 20. Read them out loud, stop the video, pause it, and read them out loud and continue. Again, for more information, you can visit and follow my social media accounts, okay, at davidenglish.info. And welcome again to the David English Academy. Have a great day.